everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see Snapchat Spotlight history on mobile. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, simply go ahead, open up your Snapchat app right over here, then go to the Spotlight section, and then when you're in the Spotlight section, and when you simply go ahead like the Spotlight over here, once we have liked the Spotlight, when we go back to our chat section, and when we go to that profile over here, we're gonna simply go ahead, scroll from this section and go to the section of favorites. You can see Spotlight, favorite, and repost. Tap on view all, and you will be able to check out all of the history of your spotlights or the story like that you have done or favorited. That's basically it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.